Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope your exams went very well. Whatever has happened has happened. Now is the time to chill, relax, and enjoy because you have worked so hard from so many months. So in fact, in case if you have given both the groups, or even if you have given just one group, either could be group 1 or group 2, now it's the time to relax. So hi guys, I am Sir Abhishek Bansal. I am from Mumbai. Here I am with a video, amazing video with the team of Yeshas Academy. What to do next? A lot of people will be having a lot of confusion. Sir, what do we do? How do we do? And how should we go ahead about it? So now when I'm recording this video, exams have just got over. Don't do anything. Nothing. Just chill. Because you have already worked so hard since so many days, so many months. Sleepless nights, sleepless days. No family function, no babu shona, okay? No watching movies. You have ignored, you have skipped so many things of your life. Now it's the time to chill and relax. For the next, I would say 7-8 days, relax, don't do anything. Meet your old friends, non-CA friends whom you have not spoken from like past 7-8 months. Go and meet your school teachers, your some mentors, your tuition teachers. Go and meet them, have relax, have coffee, enjoy your life. Now, next we come on to the, so after that what to do. Now that we have relaxed, we got bored in relaxing also. Because I know you guys get bored very easily. Studying may you get bored, writing notes may you get bored, writing exam may you get bored, relaxing also you get bored. Now what to do next? Now, all those people who have appeared for both the groups. First we talk about people who have appeared for both the groups, okay? Watch this video till the end. I'll be sharing a lot of things with you guys. Now, if you have appeared for both the groups and you have a little confidence, see somewhere in the bottom of the kidney, you know it, that whether you will clear or you will not clear. So if your chances to clear are like you think, okay, more than 50%, I will clear. This paper God should manage, I will clear it. If these are the chance, start hunting for the batches of ITT and orientation. The course is what you're supposed to do. I repeat my words, people who have appeared both the groups and they think fairly that I will be clearing it. Go and hunt for it. The detailed video will be out in like 2 days on the Yeshas channel only. How to register for ITT, how to register for GMCS. We'll be putting all the content there. Now, so start hunting for the batches. Finish off those trainings so that your time is not wasted. Since the time results are out and it is positive, you will be registering for your articles. People who have appeared either group 1 or group 2 and or both the groups, and you think that okay, my one group will be clear but my other group would not be clear. Or maybe if I have appeared for just one group and I think that okay, it will not happen. Or I have appeared for group 1, now group 2 has to be started. Or if I have appeared for group 2, group 1 has to be started. And you are clueless how to go about it. So for such students, for such category of students who are confused what to do, Yeshas has launched an amazing plan of subscription. So you just have to visit yeshasacademy.com, go to subscription. When you click on the subscription, you will see a page wherein you will see entire CA intermediate group 1 regular classes at 5,000 rupees for a month. Eventually, if it is not over, you can obviously renew it. But if you think my accounts mein some chapter is weak, some concept is weak, plus my tax mein something is there, so will get accounts, you'll get law, you will get tax. And you know this time law ka paper, how tough it was. If you have appeared group 1 and you are planning for group 2, so we have group 2 ka subscription also. And that too at 5,000 all the 3 papers. So start. Don't wait till the result. Yes, sir, I will see on the result. Because if results come in the month of first week of November, okay, so I assume around 7th or 8th of November. So we'll have 22 days of November, 31 days of the December, eventually 50 days only. Third or fourth exam will start. We'll have 50 days only. Again the same story comes, sir, not this attempt, next attempt. Why to wait till then? Start preparing early so that you clear. Now, people who have appeared for both the groups, after chilling, you are hunting for ITT, GMCS also, ITT and orientation batches, you should work 1 hour every day to improvise your skill. Sir, what do you mean by this word improvise your skill? Here, I mean that if obviously we'll be starting articles, what is our main thing? The Tally Excel. On YouTube, so many content is there. Lot of videos are there how to learn basic of Excel. If you know basics, how to learn formulas of Excel. Just type, you will see lot of videos. Start following one channel and start practicing. Every day 1 hour. When we will go for articleship ka interview, you will be a pro in that because you know how to use Excel. Maximum CA firms work on Tally, maximum, okay? Big Fours, they work on SAP, like they have their different softwares, but Tally is a basic thing. So how to operate Tally, how to use Tally ka shortcut. Develop one skill. Somebody who have a problem with English, how to improve my vocabulary. Such a video you will get it. Every day 1 hour, you start with 30 minutes first. Eventually move on to 45 minutes, then to 1 hour. When you practice it out, you will be a master. Trust me, you will be a master once your results come. So 35, 40 days, because in between you have Diwali festival also. You have Diwali obligations, you have to meet a lot of people. When you master this thing, guys, you will be a pro in that. Plus, there are a lot of other things. Somebody want to go to gym, join a gym. Somebody want to learn a dance form, learn a dance form. Somebody want to be an athlete, start practicing it out. Somebody wants to play some musical instrument, tabla, Casio, keyboard, start practicing. What you have missed in like past 1.5 years, start doing it right now. Because this is the time where you explore yourself. So guys, whatever you want to learn a skill, start doing it. Something academically, you want to learn language, like somebody want to learn French, German, you will get lot of free videos on YouTube. Plus you have chat GPT with you and you are the pro in the chat GPT, you can use it. So introspect yourself, what you want to do. So I've given ideas for people who have appeared both the groups. I've given ideas for people who have given one group appearing for the other group. I have given ideas for people who have appeared and they think that they will not clear. Start watching the videos. You can take the subscription of monthly and start registering. Now, one important, before I end this video, guys, wherever you see temple, Gurudwara, mosque, church, Lord, God, 150, subject to 40. It is very important, because you have done hard work. Now you require luck. Luck will be given only by one person, that is what. So whichever religion you are, whatever you follow, okay, see, for me, I would say I'm open to all God. If Lord Shiva is helping me, or if Jesus Christ is helping me, if Mother Mary is helping me, if Allah is helping me, if some Vaheguru is helping me, I'm open to all, because I'm thankful to everybody, because I need 150 subject to 40. Inform subject to 40 also. It is important, because if you say, okay, I need 150, you got 153, but law mein 39. You can't blame God there, no? Because you have not informed to God, okay, I need 40 also. How would God know that ICA criteria is there 150 and 40? Inform both the condition. Prayers play a very important role. Start manifesting that I will clear in September. Start manifesting every day for like 5 minutes. I will clear September 20. Prayers play a very, very, very important role. So guys, comment in the section what you want to do, what you will be doing it. Share this video with all your friends. If you need any assistance, any guidance, like, sir, this is my skill, I want to improvise it. What should I do? Can you give me a guidance? So you comment in the comment section and I'll be replying you definitely there. Okay, if you have any other doubts, your mind is blasted, you are confused, what to do, how to start preparing, if you need some guidance, you can contact us on Yeshas Academy. There's a phone number there, you can contact us, you can message us on Instagram, Telegram, and stay connected. Guys, don't worry, you will clear. All the best. One last pro tip. Our forefathers have said, every CA student, generally intermediate and final students, after appearing exam, till the result, they go on a trip. And the trip is only one place, Goa. It is budgeted trip. Plus, you get lot of water there. I'm talking about water, not that water, okay? So, Goa is a place where you get relaxed. So, if you have a bunch of friends who are like you and they want to explore, go to Goa, guys. Because since ancestors, every 90%, I would say, CA student, they go to Goa to relax their pain of law and audit, especially. Okay, bye guys. Subscribe to our channel, keep following us, do like the video and share with all your friends. Thank you guys.